up, Learn How to Draw Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Now today we're going to be learning how to draw Kermit the Frog. I'm excited, I hope you guys are as well. But one more thing, if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Awesome. Well, let's go down to this drawing, let's go see what we
So for the first step making Kermit the Frog, we're going to begin by making two eyes up top. Fantastic, now let's go ahead and connect those eyes with a small bridge. Now the next step is kind of tough. We're going to make the outline for Kermit's face. So we're going to start on the left hand side and we're going to bring this all the way down to a point. Great, now let's hop on over to the right hand side. We're going to connect this line down to the point that we just made. Now once we have this step completed, we're going to add pupils inside of Kermit's eyes. Now below these eyes, we're going to begin to give Kermit his mouth. I'm going to give Kermit a nice big open mouth, but if you just want to give your Kermit a nice simple smile, that'll be completely okay as well. Now below Kermit's head, we're going to begin to make his collar. So for this, you're just going to want to make a whole lot of sharp edges. That looks awesome. Now below this, we're going to begin to make Kermit's torso. Whoa, this is coming along very well. So now on each side, we're going to begin to make Kermit's arms. We're going to make it appear as if his arms are behind his back. Now below Kermit's torso, we're going to begin to make his legs. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now let's go color in our drawing together.